Do you know you can perfectly make this palazzo pant even if you are a beginner? Let me show you.
The first step is to lay your folded fabric on the table, then hold the edges 1 and 2, that is, up and down, to refold the fabric. The second step is to hold the fabric at point C and fold to the left. The third step is to gently overlay the fabric from point C to the left side as shown in the diagram. Now you are ready to cut your Bell Palazzo. The fifth step is to measure your waist and crotch depth appropriately and cut. The sixth step is to open the pattern and sew along the 2 crotches. Ensure to sew on the wrong side of the fabric. The seventh step is to hold the upper fabric at the middle and spread to the side. The eighth step is to join the inner legs. Ensure to sew on the wrong side of the fabric. The ninth step is to fold the hem of the palazzo and attach a waistband. Now you are ready to rock your Bell Palazzo.
So will you try it out? Let me know in the comments. Do like this video and subscribe for the next tutorial.